Cherry rhymes, fun and learning all the time. Wake up, Dino friends!
A brand new adventure begins!
Yeah!
Stomp your feet!
Stomp, stomp, stomp!
Wiggle your tail!
Chomp, chomp, chomp! Through the trees and flowers bright, Dino Land is full of light.
But wait! What's that sound we hear? A tiny rumble coming near!
Dino, look down there, a little map is lying there. It has a star and arrows too. Where could this secret pathway lead us to? Follow the map, step by step, over the bridge and up we trek. Left, right, left, then turn around. Look for clues on the ground. A footprint here, a leaf there. Something special must be somewhere. Keep on walking, don't stop now.
We're going to find it!
Wow! Here comes Rex with a happy roar. Let's find out what the map is for. Tiny Tia joins the crew. Wait for me!
I'm coming too!
Stomp, stomp, stomp along the way. Dino friends are here to play.
Big Dino, small Dino,
Side by side on a super adventure ride. Over the rocks and through the trees, past the flowers dancing in the breeze.
the map says,
Look up high,
what do we see?
a butterfly.
Dang!
Oh, look at that bridge. It's bouncy, bouncy like a giant spring. One little jump, boing,
Two little jumps,
boing.
Dino Rex goes bounce.
Bounce, bounce. Tia giggles as she jumps.
Hold on tight and jump with me! Across the bridge!
1, 2, 3. Bounce to the left, bounce to the right. Keep your balance, hold on tight. Across we go, we made it through. And now the map says, next clue. Whoa! A valley full of color. Red, yellow, blue, and green. Flowers sparkle, butterflies fly. Rainbow clouds are in the sky.
Find the red flower!
There it is! Find the yellow one. What a surprise!
Blue little rocks beside the stream.
Green leaves shining like a dream. Dino friends are dancing around
To a happy
bouncy sound. Stomp, stomp, wiggle and spin. The adventure is about to begin. Shh! Look! A cave ahead with a glowing door of red. The map says, knock 3 times. Knock, knock, knock.
The door opens!
Wow, what's inside? Dino friends, look left and right. A sparkling tunnel, glowing bright. Little stars are shining like night. Follow the lights, don't be afraid.
The biggest surprise is being made!
Round the corner, what's that there?
A giant box with balloons everywhere!
Red balloons, blue balloons,
Yellow balloons floating to the moon!
Dino friends shout.
What could it be?
Let's open it together. 1, 2, 3. Open!
Surprise!
A giant Dino party is waiting inside. Music, balloons, and a rainbow slide.
Dino friends dance and stomp around. Happy music fills the ground.
Stomp, stomp, stomp. Clap, clap, clap.
Dino friends are doing the Dino dance.
Big Dino, stop.
Tiny Dino hop.
Shake your tail and never stop.
Clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap.
Tap your feet.
Tap, tap, tap. Turn around and roar. Hooray! We found the biggest surprise today. What a day, what a ride. So many surprises side by side. We followed clues and crossed the way and found a Dino party today. Bye bye Rex. Bye bye Tia. Bye bye Dino friends. Stomp, stomp, stomp as we go through the valley, soft and slow. Dino Land is shining bright. We'll come back another shout hooray. The Dino and